Hare.
Sailing heavily right now.
Yeah, it's sailing heavily.
Take a picture to see.
Come. Let's go. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm on the way to NEHU Falls and look who is here. Anna and Swati. अभी तो बारिश स्टार्ट हो गई यार. चलो देखेंगे कैसे मैनेज करेंगे.
So we are using an umbrella with lots of holes. The owner is Gautam Siddhartha only.
काफी दिन के बाद वो अम्ब्रेला खुला था
Gautam likes
इसलिए.
umbrellas with holes. Because, I'm still regretting.
You know, Anna is doing something great today. I think she did not put on Asian painting.
Little bit only.
The makeup. Oh, now it's fine. Yeah, better.
So should I? Oh, show the road. The road is so beautiful. Yeah. This is where we are walking right now. Yeah.
It's too good. Yeah.
I want a photo from there. And if you listen closely, you can hear people playing. Go with them. I want a photo from there.
Yeah, up. See up. Don't. Yeah, be like that.
Nice.
One more. What you do is like.
It stopped
Put like
raining.
this.
We're taking
Always you do that.
pictures.
Bend your head on the other. Yeah.
So cringy.
No, not really. I think the distance from my hostel till NEHU Falls will be around 6 to 7 kilometers, I guess. And from gate to it will be 8. I don't know exactly. Later on I will just put a Google map, view from it. And going to NEHU Falls is quite good. And inside NEHU, this is the only place where you can enjoy with your friends and all that. So, my friends are very much excited to visit NEHU Falls. See, from there, from Iflu, if you come to straight road, you will see this way.
Oh, there's like a ladybug here.
Okay, you need to go from this road and all over down. And be careful, guys. Come on, Anna, let's go.
I'll take this ladybug.
She's doing something. What is that?
It's a ladybug. The wings are like halfway out, I think. Did you crush it?
Down. You need to go down. See, this is the way, guys. Be careful, okay?
This is the Chihuahua from Rizal.
Don't step on rocks, okay? You might slip.
Station people.
वहाँ नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. You will see down. After going there, again you need to go that route. So NEHU Falls is down there. Yeah, this is the way, guys. Just go down. Be careful. Don't step on rocks. बार क्यों बोल रहा ना? Last time मैं इसी इधर से ही गिरा था.
Why are you walking like that?
See, I slipped.
I missed it. Wait.
Just miss. Come on, Anna. Jump.
It's okay. I'm done. Wait.
Hey, don't hold that grass. How do you think that grass will hold your weight?
Why? I know how to do this actually, like.
Without the bags, it's easier. Hare. Yeah, I'm fine. Okay, no problem. Yeah, after coming down. Yeah, you need to climb up. But don't go on the right side, you go on the left side. Just wait for me, I'm coming.
I'll hold you from the back.
Not at here. You need to go down. NEHU Falls is down actually.
Yeah, how will we go down the road?
See, you see down there? It's NEHU Falls. Get down. You should go down. Sweating like
3
anything.
second clips before we die.
पूरा नीचे जाना पड़ेगा.
Gautam is going to climb down there. It's very steep. Remember, Your friend's grandfather is Tarzan. You can do this. You've got a little bit of like, I mean, you've hung around with Tarzan's genes, so.
Yeah, come. पूरा नीचे जाना है अभी से. From here, there's no support.
The easiest way to get down is jump or fall down.
Yeah. If you jump, you will directly go to heaven. No problem. No, means, I don't know whether you will go to heaven or hell, but. ऊपर से नीचे तक आना पड़ रहा है. Very difficult. A lot of hard work, guys. चलो नेहू फॉल्स फाइनली. फाइनली न्यू फॉल्स आ गए यार.
I'm so tired. Take me the video now. It's raining heavily right now.
Yeah, it's raining heavily.
Take a picture. See, zoom in. If you guys see those are like ice cubes, ice balls. It's raining heavily, and we are here right now in NEHU Falls. And we are just here.
Oh, we are stuck here, guys. हम लोग इधर ही फंस गया because of this heavy rain. बहुत जोर से बारिश हो रहा था इसलिए we are stuck. It's now I think 3 PM, but still yes we can manage. Swati, come.
The road.
Oh, बारिश हो रहा है guys. Be careful. अभी तो बहुत बारिश हो रहा है. You know, like horrible here. And it's very slippery, as you can see. We have only one umbrella, so somehow, you know, very difficult for us to manage. I think this will be end of my vlog, I guess. I don't know. I don't have battery. Come. Let's go. Chalo. I think this will be my final video, guys. As you can see, पूरा भीग गया, umbrella भी टूट गया. Rain is not showing mercy upon us. See, this year in 2025, I think this is the first rain, I guess. I did not expect it will rain like this today. But we enjoyed a lot. We're on the back to NEHU now. Yeah, 2025. It's broken, leave it. It's fine. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe.
Guys,
and
we
share
are
it to your
just
friends.
homeless people. I don't know why.
Horrible, yeah.
It's okay, like Gautam hasn't took a bath since like forever. This is his first bath. Yeah. We're happy for you. Yeah.
Anna का makeup चला गया. And she stole my hoodie.
But this is nice. 3,500 rupees. Worth it. Yeah.
Got it right. Share it to your friends. Subscribe and give a like. Have a great day.